iQOO Z6 Pro launch date is set to be on April 27, 2022. The phone will be available on various of colors. The company is introducing a new interesting smartphones in reasonable price range that comes with great features and specifications. The latest entry from iQOO is all set to the company to new heights. Let's talk about the specification of this phone. The iQOO Z6 Pro 5G has unique design with two big camera which is placed on the back side. The one big module is primary sensor, while the second module comes with two sensors. The front panel has a bezel-less display with punch hole cutout that bears the selfie camera. This smartphone comes with a 6.44-inch AMOLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone display resolution of 2408 by 1080 pixels and it offers 120 Hz refresh rate. The display comes with 400 pixels per inch pixel and 16 million of colors. This smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor. The iQOO Z6 Pro comes with an octa-core processor which is based on 6nm fabrication process. This chipset features Kryo 670 cores that clocked at up to 2.4 GHz. This phone is powered by Adreno 642L GPU for handle graphics tasks. The phone has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The iQOO Z6 Pro phone is pre-installed Android 12 operating system. The phone offers triple rear camera setup at the back. 64 megapixels primary sensor plus 2 megapixels macro sensor and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. On front, the handset is equipped with a 16 megapixels selfies camera for video calling. The iQOO Z6 Pro 5G records 1080p videos at 30 fps with ease and offers good shooting modes like macro, HDR, and more. In terms of security, you get a face to unlock feature and fingerprint sensor. The iQOO Z6 Pro 5G offers a 5000 mAh battery with 66-watt fast charging support. In addition, this phone also included these features such as 5G, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, dual SIM, USB Type-C port, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass and gyroscope. What do you think about this phone? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell button to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.